Hello students, welcome to your in my class. Student, in this class we will learn about square of number. What do you mean by the square? If a number is multiplied by itself, the product so obtained is called the square of that number. For example, students, suppose that we have to find the square of 3. Simple example, if 3 multiplied by 3 means a number is multiplied by itself, so we get that 3 multiplied by 3, that is the 9. So 3 is the means square of 3, that is the 9. It means 9 is the square of 3. So what do you mean by the square? Repeat it. A number, if a number is multiplied by itself, so the product obtained is called the square of that number. Student, in this class means in this chapter name is square and square root. So in this chapter we will learn understand the meaning of square a number and finding the square root of a number. Okay, we have to learn understand the meaning of square. As earlier I told to you and I explained you what do you mean by the square, and we will learn the square root of a number, and we will find the square of number and raise a whole number to a whole number's power and find the square root of a perfect square, and we will learn find approximate square root of non-perfect square. So this topic we will learn in this chapter. So student, let's see this graph. Have you seen this graph? This is the square. Yes, this is the square because its length and breadth are equal. And is this also square? Because its a side, one side is 2 unit, 1 unit and 2 unit. This one. Okay, and this side is also 2 unit. Means length is 2 unit, breadth is 2 unit. So it is square. Like that here. This is 3 unit and 3 unit. So this is also a square. When we will count and write the number of square tiles in each of the larger square box. So how many number of square tiles? How many number of square tiles is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total is there 16. How many number of square tiles? There is 16. And here count is there. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like that it is here. Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is the length and breadth is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Its breadth is there 5. So total number of square 5 into 5, that is 25. 25 square tiles is there. Like that you can count here and you have to write here. If a square measures 4 inches on each side, so how do you find its area? If a square measures 4 inches on its side, so how do you find the square area of that square? So student, if its side is 4 inch and both sides are 4 and 4 inch, so we will multiply 4 into 4. So we will find the area of that square. So how many small tiles are there? Square tiles 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 in this side. So 4 into 4, that is 16. When you count it, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Like that student, so what we get? This is the 16 square unit. And student, if the side is there 3 into 3, so what would be the area? 3 into 3, 3 is 9. So and if side is there 5 into 5, so area would be that square, that is 5 square is 25. So student, 9 is the perfect square and 25 is also a number which is a perfect square. Okay? Then we have to draw the large square and make one that is 7 tiles wide and 7 tiles high. So make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and 7 is high and 7 is the wide. So this is the wide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the okay. So if there is 7 and this side is also 7, so total number of square tiles, small square tiles, how you will count it? 7 multiplied by 7 means square of 7, that is 49. Like that, student, you have to draw by 8 by 8. I hope you can write. So student, as you know that the square of a number means multiplied by yes student. So square of a number means to multiply a number by itself. So suppose that you have to find the square of 5. Square of 5, that means 5 into 5, that is the 25. And here these are the parts. Okay, 5 square. So student, here 2. This 2 is the exponent. This is the exponent and this is the base. Means 5 is the base and this is square, this power 2, that is the exponent. And student, evaluate 7 square. So 7 square means 7 square, its power is 2 means exponent is 2. It means 7 multiplied by 2 times itself. So 7 into 7, that is 49, and our answer is there 49. Answer is there 49. Okay. And student, there is a shorter way to write 5 into 5, and we say that this is the 5 square. 5 to the second power. We say this is 5 square and 5 to the second power. Dear student, this is the chart of perfect square from 1 to 30, and you must have to will learn this square means square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9, like that square of 9 is 81, and square of 11 is 121, square of 12 is 144. Like that we will learn this square till 30. So square of 20 is 400, square of 21 is 441, square of 22 is 484, square of 23 is 529, square of 24 is 579, square of 25 is 625, square of 6 is 676, like that square of 29 is 841, and square of 30 is, that is 900. So you must have to learn. You must have learn this square from 1 to 30. Now student, we will learn adding odd numbers. Adding odd numbers, if the sum of numbers are in consecutive from 1 and odd, so that square root of that number is the number of observation. For example, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. So how many consecutive odd number is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So its sum will be square of 7, that is 49. You can add and you can check it. Like that, from 1 to 17 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many odd number is there from 1? That is 9. Okay. So when we will add them, so we get this is the square of 9, and that is 81. Okay. And like that, from 1 to 23, how many odd number is there? There are 12 odd numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what would be the what would be the sum of these numbers? What would be the sum of this number? That is square of 12. Square of 12 means 12 multiplied by 12. That is student 144. This is fantastic. Numbers between square numbers. Okay. We can find some numbers between two consecutive square numbers by finding the square of numbers of any two numbers. So suppose that we have to find the numbers between square of 1 and 2. So first we will find the square of 1, square of 1, that is 1, and square of 2, that is 4. So which number lie between 1 and 4? Between 1 and 4 there are 2 and 3. So how many non-square number. There are two non-square number, that is 2 and 3. Okay. Like that, if we have to find the numbers, non-square number between 2 and 3. So student, square of 2, that is 4, and square of square of 3, that is 9. So between 2 and 3 means between square of 2 and 3, we will find non-square number. So how many number will be there? Square of 2, that is 4. Square of 2, that is 4, and square of 3, that is 9. Between 4 and 9, there are 4 non-square number, that is 5, 6, 7 and 8. Any doubt?